Welcome to my channel. Today we will write 10 lines essay on Quaid Azam. Jinnah was founder of Pakistan and a great leader of the Muslim community. Quaid Azam was born in Karachi on December 25, 1876. He studied law and became a successful lawyer. Jinnah was a member of the Indian National Congress but later became disillusioned with their policies and joined the Muslim League. He fought tirelessly for the Muslim community. Quaid Azam played a crucial role in negotiations with the British to create Pakistan. Pakistan was created on August 14, 1947, and Jinnah was its first Governor General. He was a strong advocate of democracy, equality, and social justice. He passed away on September 11, 1948. Quaid Azam's legacy lies on as Pakistan's founder and great leader of Muslim world. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.